All right, so today we're going to jump into the assignment part of Module 12, and that's going to be pretty much the focus. And the reason for that is because there's a little bit more material to cover. I'm going to show you a couple of things that today I think are actually pretty cool and useful, at least in the sense that I've used both of these things in real world consulting jobs and things like that, and real world projects. And I think they're pretty great tools. Um, so for this module, there are actually two assignments, and you can choose which one you want to do. One is a little bit more difficult than the other. And I will say it is a more of an advanced programming project. But if you're caught up on the assignments and you're feeling confident about your skill level so far in the class, this would be a great way to challenge yourself. And it also is a useful practice project for a lot of real world scenarios. The second one is a little bit easier. It's also useful, but it is significantly more of a simple assignment dealing with reading and writing from files. So, and you get the same amount of points no matter which one you choose. Some of you may choose to do both and just submit one of them. That's fine too. So with that, let me get into the details. So the first assignment